because they had made it to the top echelons in the world. But that, I see, is a major problem with the mainstream portion of the Mormon Church of trying to pat Romney on the back for becoming governor and not worrying about the compromises made to become governor of Massachusetts.
What do you make of Billy Graham, coming out and now giving his blessing basically to Mitt Romney? I mean, I see that as the establishment now kind of going, okay, maybe we can't beat him, so we'll give our little seal of approval.
Well, that's right, and that's why Henry Kissinger endorsed it. Henry Kissinger's born and bred in the establishment. In fact, he's probably second-level conspirator deep into it, and for him to endorse Romney has incited the right to think, he is, in fact, one of them. But he isn't an insider, and I'll tell you why. You're absolutely right. By the way, they're essentially trying to convince Romney that we're your friends, that you have won yourself our acceptance and you're into our inner circle and we can really help you. But Romney cannot be an insider, and that's because nobody gets on the inside without gross immorality of the heterosexual or homosexual variety. They prefer homosexual, like Obama.
I wanted to raise that. What about all these scandals of top BBC children's presenters, Sandusky, all that? I mean, whenever I do research, I just run into the elite, not just into, adult type stuff, but they're into like necrophilia, pedophilia. I mean, who are these people?
Well, actually, that goes back to the fact that this is a satanic conspiracy ultimately, and Satan deals and promotes people who have gross sexual anomalies and problems. And that's why Mitt Romney will never be allowed into the inner circle of the inside. I know Mormon CIA people who joined the agency early on who have told me, my brother was in fact the CIA, and when they get sent overseas, my brother was an analyst, a low-level economic analyst, and he touts that he was part of the CIA to brag his bio up a little bit, but in fact he was never into anything. But too many people say, if you remember the CIA once, you're always a controlled CIA member. It isn't true. There's a vetting process. Like my Mormon friends who, when I went in the military, they went in the CIA or the FBI. At some point, they get put in front of a compromising situation to test whether or not they'll be immoral.
Yeah, you talked about that. They'll send a hooker to the room.
Exactly. That's what they did. They were overseas. They sent hookers to the room. Were paid by the CIA.
Well, what is it about Texas? Because so many people, like when I'm going to family reunions,